Here I've got the HTC Desire 19 Plus, and let me show you how to stop the following device. So at first you have to select the language that you would like to have your device in, smoothly click here, come along with whole list of languages and pick the one that you would like to apply, and I will stay with English, then pick the region and click on Let's Go. So at first you have to come along with all the terms of usage, and if you agree with everything, tap on Next and confirm that you agree with everything. Now your device will scan for the networks, and this is my Wi-Fi, so let's connect with Wi-Fi. Now enter the password if you have one. And as only the password is entered, click on Connect. And now you can log in with your Google account if you want to, and I truly recommend that, so I will do it. At first you have to enter your email address or phone number, whichever is connected with your Gmail, and in my case it's email address HardReset.Info 1@gmail.com. And then click on Next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, tap on Next. And here you can come along with Google and Google Play terms of service and also privacy policy. And if you do agree with everything, click on I agree. And you can restore your data from previous phone if you want to, but I will skip it as I want to set it up as a fresh new one. And here you can set date and time if you don't like the automatic one, but it's correct, so I will just tap on Next. Then just select if you would like to use those Google features, and I would like to stay with all of them, so simply click on Accept to confirm your selection. Now you can check the Google Assistant if you want to, just click on Next, and then you can come along with everything, but I will skip it for now. And now you can add some protection, so you can add some screen lock if you want to, but I will also skip it for now. Skip anyway, it can be set up later. And now you can activate your HTC account if you want to, or you can use your Google account, Facebook or other account, but I will skip it for now as well. Don't use right now. And then you can personalize your phone, so if you would like to change your device's name, you can delete the current one and enter a new one. Then you can share your location and also share the personal usage data if you want to, and then tap on Next. And that's it. As you can see, you've just activated your phone. Congrats! Now you can come along with some further options, so you can add some contacts, change the wallpaper, and I will start with changing the brightness, and just enjoy the usage. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.